In this video, we're diving into the top 5 investing apps for beginners and how they compare. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel we cut through the fluff to help you get started with investing without feeling overwhelmed. With so many apps promising low fees, ease of use, and fancy features, picking the right one can be daunting. We'll be reviewing 5 popular platforms: SoFi, Vanguard, Webull, Moomoo, and Rocket Money, and discuss their pros, cons, and who they're best suited for. What makes a good investing app? Ease of use and interface. For beginners, an intuitive, user-friendly interface is essential. You want to navigate the app easily, find information quickly, and execute trades without confusion. Apps with clear layouts and helpful tools tips reduce the learning curve. Looking for platforms that break down complex concepts and provide educational resources directly within the app. Onboarding tutorials and support can also make a big difference when you're just starting out. Fees and costs. Fees can eat into your returns, especially when you're starting with a small amount of money. Some apps offer commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, while others charge per trade. In addition, there can be account maintenance fees, subscription costs for advanced features, or just hidden charges. Always read the fee schedule to understand what you'll pay. Low fees are great, but sometimes paying a bit more for better tools and education is worth it. Features and tools. Different apps cater to different investing styles. Some emphasize simplicity and automated investing, while others offer robust tools for analysis and active trading. Consider whether you want access to fractional shares, retirement account, initial public offering, or alternative investments like cryptocurrencies. Also think about educational content, customer support, and whether the app offers budgeting or financial planning tools. SoFi, a versatile option. Overview. SoFi Active Invest is a user-friendly platform that offers commission-free trading of stocks and ETFs. There's no account minimum, making it really easy for beginners to start with small amounts. SoFi also allows you to buy fractional shares starting at $5, which means you can invest in expensive stocks without needing hundreds of dollars. It also provides access to IPOs for eligible members, a feature that's rare among beginner platforms. Pros. SoFi's biggest strengths are its ease of use, zero commissions on stock and ETF trades, and the ability to buy fractional shares. The app integrates educational resources, providing real-time news and insights to help beginners understand what's happening in the markets. Members gain access to financial planners and community events, which adds a human element to the investing experience. For those interested in automated investing, SoFi also offers a robo advisor service within the same app. Now for the cons. SoFi's research tools and analytics are relatively basic compared to more advanced platforms. Serious traders may find the charting and screeners lacking. The app also charges an inactivity fee if you don't log in for 6 months, which can surprise casual users. Additionally, SoFi's lineup doesn't include mutual funds or bonds, limiting product variety. Best 4. SoFi suits beginners and casual investors who want a straightforward, all-in-one platform. It's ideal if you value fractional shares, occasional IPO access, and a user-friendly interface. It's less suitable for active traders or those wanting deep research tools. So if you want to get started with SoFi, we've got a link for you down in the description. Just click on the link and it'll bring you to this page where you can go ahead and learn more about their app. Again, link down in the description. Vanguard. Low cost, long-term focus. Overview. Vanguard is renowned for its low-cost index funds and long-term investing philosophy. The Vanguard app allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. There's no account minimum to open a brokerage account, and many of Vanguard's own funds have low minimums or allow fractional investing. Vanguard also offers robo-advisory services through its digital advisor program. Pros. The biggest advantage of Vanguard is its low fees. Vanguard's expense ratios on its funds are among the lowest in the industry. Investors can buy index funds and ETFs without paying commissions on Vanguard's platform. The company's long-standing reputation and massive asset base add to its credibility. Vanguard also offers a variety of retirement accounts, making it a good choice for investors focused on long-term savings. Cons. The Vanguard app and website are known for being somewhat clunky and outdated compared to more modern interfaces. Users report occasional bugs, slow load times, and confusing navigation. Customer service isn't as responsive as some competitors, and there's limited support for advanced research tools. Vanguard's platform is geared toward buy and hold investors investors rather than active traders. Best 4, Vanguard is ideal for investors who prioritize low fees, long-term investing, and simple portfolios. It's not the best choice for people who want cutting-edge interfaces or advanced trading features. If you're comfortable with occasional clunkiness and limited customer service in exchange for low costs, Vanguard works well. If you want to get started with Vanguard, we've got a link for you down in the description. Just click on it and it'll bring you to this page right here. We can go ahead and see the featured investing products as of the day. Click the link down in the description. Webull, advanced tools for tech-savvy beginners. Overview. Webull has grown quickly by offering commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. The platform includes advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and a robust mobile app. Webull appeals to younger investors and those comfortable with technology who want more features without paying extra. It provides paper trading, so beginners can practice with virtual money before risking real funds. Pros. Webull's strengths lie in its free trading across multiple asset classes and its powerful analysis tools. The platform offers level 2 market data, customizable watch lists, and technical indicators that rival more established brokers. You can open an IRA, trade options, and access extended hours training. Webull also offers a small interest rate on uninvested cash, adding a bit of yield to idle funds. Cons. While Webull has great tools, it lacks the depth of educational resources that some competitors offer. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by the app's complexity and advanced charting features. Customer service can be slow and there's no live chat support in the US. The platform doesn't offer mutual funds or bonds, and cash balances may be uninvested unless you opt into their cash management program. Best 4, Webull's best for tech-savvy beginners and intermediate traders who want robust tools without paying commission. So if you enjoy analyzing charts, exploring technical indicators, and trading during pre-market or after hours, Webull has a lot to offer. It's less suitable for those who prefer a simple handheld approach or need extensive education. If you want to get started with Webull, we've got that link for you down in the description below. Moomoo, data-rich and reward-focused. Overview. Moomoo is a newer entrant that offers commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. The platform is known for its data-rich interface, featuring real-time quotes, global market feeds, and advanced analytical tools. Moomoo's cash sweep program offers high interest rates on uninvested cash, and promotions often include bonus stocks or cash for new users. The platform supports trading in foreign markets like Hong Kong and Singapore, providing access to a broader range of stocks. Pros. Moomoo provides extensive data and research tools, including market depth, sector analysis, and customizable alerts. The high interest rate on uninvested cash is attractive, as is the ability to trade in international markets. The platform's interface is user-friendly despite offering complex data. For active traders, Moomoo's options trading comes without contract fees for most US options, reducing the cost even further. Cons. Moomoo's educational content isn't as comprehensive as some other platforms, which may hinder beginners who need more guidance. The platform doesn't support mutual funds or bonds, focusing instead on stocks, ETFs, and options. Customer service can be inconsistent, and promotions can sometimes distract from long-term investing goals. Moomoo is better for those who want to dive into data rather than those seeking simplicity. Best 4. Moomoo appeals to beginners and intermediate investors who want to leverage real-time data and trade both US and international stocks. If you're comfortable navigating detailed analytics and you want to earn interest on idle cash, Moomoo is a solid choice. It's not ideal if you need hand-holding or prefer to invest in mutual funds. So if you want to get started with Moomoo, we've got that link for you down in the description below. Rocket Money. Budgeting and financial wellness. Overview. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is not an investing app in the traditional sense. It's a budgeting and financial management tool. However, it deserves a mention because managing your budget and subscriptions frees up money for investing. Rocket Money connects to your bank and credit card accounts, tracks your spending, and identifies recurring subscriptions. Can even negotiate bills on your behalf for a fee. Pros. Rocket Money's strengths lie in its ability to help you see where your money goes and cut costs. Automatic subscription tracking highlights services that you might forget about, and smart budgeting tools categorize your spending, helping you set limits. The bill negotiation service can save you money on internet, phone, or cable bills, freeing up cash for investing. The app's interface is intuitive, making it super easy to use. Cons. While Rocket Money offers a free version, many features like smart savings, net worth tracking, and subscription subscription cancellation on your behalf requires a premium subscription. And the fee is flexible, but it's another cost to consider. Deal negotiation, it also incurs a fee based on percentage of the savings. Rocket Money doesn't provide investing functionality directly, so you'll need a separate platform to buy stocks or funds. Best for. Rocket Money is ideal for beginners who need help getting their finances in order before investing. If you struggle to track spending or you forget about recurring subscriptions, Rocket Money can simplify your budgeting process. It's not an investing platform, but it complements investing app by helping you find extra money to invest. After using Rocket Money to optimize your budget, you can move that money into an investing app of your choice. So if you want to get started with Rocket Money, we've got that link for you down in the description below. Picking an investing app isn't about finding the perfect one. It's about finding one that fits your personality and goals. You might start with one app and switch later as your needs change. The important thing is to get started. Learn the basics and keep building your knowledge. Small, consistent steps tend to beat big leaps in the long run. So if you want to try out any of the tools or resources that we mentioned today, you'll find everything linked in the description below. Some of these links are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission if you decide to use them at no extra cost to you. This really helps support the channel and lets us keep making simple, beginner-friendly videos to help you take control of your money. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if this video helped you out at all, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Here on Your Money Friend, we talk about saving, banking, investing basics, and all the little money decisions that make life easier without the confusing jargon. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you here in the next video.